Yo, welcome back. Welcome back, fellas and lady fellas. Fellas and lady fellas. Man, what we got going on in here? You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking. Still says 11-7. Whatever, dude. Yeah. So, what are we doing here today? We are looking at. So I did a little rearranging and resetting. I put some of these on NQ because I realized I just heard this advice that stuff that's happening is happening on. Look at that reversal up there. Is happening on NQ, not MNQ. If I'm doing volume analysis, I can still execute on MNQ, but volume analysis, it makes sense. Why not do it on the, okay, this is looking, I mean, we know what happens, but this, I actually can't remember if this is when it dumps or not. This is like a pretty, this is definitely an important area. See what happened. There was thin volume up here, came back up, touched it, didn't even get to that high. Kept dumping from there. We're kind of falling out of that area right now. This looks like heavy volume though. Look at this spike right there. So maybe draw something down here. Another spike right here too. So let's just put this box in. Okay. So we're in an uptrend, but we're bouncing out of an area that is caused a big Dumposaurus. So you should be able to see it on OBS if I'm looking at the right screen. Yeah, there we go. So I have NQ 1 hour up here, NQ 5-minute footprint down here, and then oh, that's kind of interesting. It's bouncing out of that one. Did I mark something? Where did this come from? I'm just going to leave it for now. Yeah. So here we are in the 5-minute. We saw a lot of volume build down here. Here we are on the 5-minute over here too. This is pre-market. Getting some bid down here. That still works. Just operations, There's a little bit of volume overlapping here, looks like. Maybe. This is just an interesting, like, kind of setup. I don't really know. So let's get to 12:30, 9:30.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Obviously, got gooned. There's 9:30. Oh, and we're just dumping. Okay. That is the 9:30 candle. So the idea is, because of what we were seeing on Top Step X, is to just trade actual, you know, price action first. Try to see if in real time we can combine some stuff. Big trades. Have cluster search kind of tweaked for the 5-minute on the left. I don't know if it's, I would say dialed in, but it's something. I really don't need the 1 hour that much. Okay. What do we like to see here? Maybe a rejection off the mid and continue lower, or just up here, popping up out of this area. Out of this area. 782s. Yeah, exactly. The only problem now is that the drawings don't really sync. So, you know, I wonder if we just come back to here and take off from here. How's everyone weekend so far, dude? I had a big Saturday. Hit the gym, did a bunch of work. Just a big Saturday. I need to game. I have a little more work left, but I have to game. I need to goon. This could kind of be the thing that we saw Friday, and just a big fat no chance to return. But here we go, kind of getting up here. Big absorption at 93. Some absorption, maybe not big absorption. Failing to get through this pocket of volume around 650. Yeah, no shit. So while I wouldn't really consider that a zone, it kind of is a zone. You can kind of see it on the 1 minute. Just the aggression that came out of there. I'm going to draw this in here. Because we could get a bounce. I love having two monitors. I still feel like I'm not using them optimally, but I still feel like I want an extra one. But that's just the game. Let's look at the 1 minute for a second. This could be an area to be short from. There was some big volume up here that didn't stick. There's absorption coming in now. Honestly, if I get in here, it's just because I just want to do something. So let's see what happens here. I think that's where that volume was. Oh, they're busting through that. Okay. I'm starting to get some motion. None of y'all have any motion. Okay, let's see what happens right at this absorption. And there was a cluster search. You might be able to see it on there. It's not quite, it's not where I want it. I really want it to come down here. If we get a good enough pop out of here, maybe we'll jump in. There it is. Okay. Okay, so over here it just looks like a nice taper at the bottom there. Big sell though. Okay, that cell's starting to take over. See if they can hold it down there. Maybe they come back down here too. Is this downtrend too strong? Is it too strong? my liege.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
All right, nice. So, what happened there? And what's happening now? Hang on, because we might be taking a short up here. Right where it tapped me. Gosh darn it, that was nice. Okay. So, there was this area of absorption. We cracked it just a touch. And a bunch of volume built up where there was volume before. Attempts below the absorption didn't build much. They just kept building above it. Opened up again without any attempt to go higher. I mean to go back into this wick. On the 5 minute. And yeah, there was some sketchy wicks here. No doubt. I was thinking maybe I should have taken something here, but that worked out. Let's see if we can get a break of structure on the downside here, because this 5 minute candle looks nice ish. Also, what's that look like? Oh my goodness, do you see that? Just very thin volume, pop right up there. Did everybody else also sell right there? Holy schmoly. Yeah, I might just. Honestly, dude, I don't know. This is a horrible idea. I think that's pretty crazy volume. Let's see. Like such a late sell too. Let's see if those big green meanies can take me out. Big greeny meanie. The meanie greenies. Oh, you can combine them. Okay, on the chart. Okay, okay. Yeah, this is also kind of just too much noise sometimes on this. We got another absorption thing right here, though. 561 as these candles wicked away, so let's hope that holds up. I'm gonna make this a little bigger because I'm paying attention to this. Nut monitor here. Oh, it's getting close. Yeah.
Homosexual rigmarole, man.
Okay. Are we looking at a reversal right now? Wow, look at that. Hell of a reversal. I don't know what that is coming from, too. Oh, haha. The thing I drew. That's what it's coming from. The thing I drew on NASDAQ and not on MNQ. Okay. Well, yeah. Okay. I mean, right to that absorption point. That's pretty sweet. Six, 562. Yeah, this would be an interesting area. Some buys coming in. That's right at the absorption. Huge bid just popped up.
I got 5 on it. I got 5 on it.
I don't think what's helpful for you guys. I'm trying to keep that nut monitor from getting a little too aggressive. I think I'm gonna make like a bunch of, like a huge batch of turkey meatballs after this. Like more than you would think is acceptable. Yeah, then it is acceptable. Maybe more than is necessary. Actually, definitely more than is necessary. I'm at 624. I should have been at 615 because that's right where there was a patch. Didn't really look at that, but I'm at 624. I'm just going to leave it. I think this is a nice reversal. Just going to leave it, dude. We are getting a cluster here. I'm gonna close this. I'll buy back if we. This could actually be a sell.
I got 5 on it. I got 5 on it.
Just a quick one, just a small one. 6, 5, 5, 8. 5, 5, 8. Oh, that's way down there. Yeah, the mismatch between NQ and MNQ is not amazing, but whoa.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Okay, that's fine. That was a nice buy right there. Okay, we're running into some trouble up here. From that absorption. What they are testing, they're building volume, it looks like, where there wasn't a whole lot going on before. Last time we were up here. Okay, let's keep it moving. I don't see any good actual moves. Like, yeah, maybe you can buy in here. Not really convincing. got that big absorption there at 630. But it looks like we're finding a base. Looks like we're not interested down here anymore. I don't know if I want to buy that just yet, boy. See some movement. See some motion. Okay, here's where I want to pay attention.
I got 5 on it. 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 I got 5.
God damn it. Just that reaction's enough to make a brother hop in.
Homosexual rigmarole, man.
Man, we were so close. Man, we were close. I should have been watching this. We built up. I mean, I don't know if this would have gotten me out, though. But this is like a stacked volume here. Okay. Okay, I see what game you're playing. I didn't really draw it on here, but kind of the same deal. 600. Yeah, look at that. Should have taken it right there. Just a little too ambitious on a couple of these.
I got 5 on it. I got 5 on it.
Yeah, I already know.
I got 5.
Yeah, I already know what I gotta do. Yeah, I already know what I gotta do.
I got 5 on it.
Yeah, I already know what I gotta do, man. You already know what I gotta do right now. Man. I'ma short this bitch. I am
Did
short.
you get that thing
Oh,
all
shit.
down?
Okay. My fault. My bad. Okay, there you go. Don't know if I use price action as much. I was trying to pay attention. But also at this point, you should probably be just only longs. I mean, I drew that in there. Yeah, just a little too ambitious on a couple of those, but yep. Great work, guys.